If you are looking for a pair of sunglasses, this is by the brand Heatwave. This is their little logo right here, as you can see. So these are actually really lightweight, super duper light. They're not heavy at all. They're like plastic frames, and then it's like a matte black. So there's no gloss on the outside of the frames at all, just right here on the logo part, but that's it. But other than that, it's all matte. And then the shape to it, as you can see, is like pretty squarish. So it definitely has like straight edges on both on top and on the bottom. And then this is what it looks like on that side. But yeah, they're super comfortable. They really do block out a good amount of the sun. Definitely does protect your eyes. This is what it looks like on the arms on the inside. But yeah, these definitely are really nice. They're easy to bring around. And they do have a whole bunch of other different colors or styles to it too, if you are interested. But yeah, these are really nice. Definitely do its job.